Hello, my friends. Today we will learn how to remove an additional Gmail account on Android phones. So let's open the default settings app that is available on all Android phones, or you can pull down the notification bar from the top to the bottom. Then you will simply tap on this particular option. For instance, I will proceed to choose the default application that is typically used for Android mobile phones. I open it as usual and then I carefully scroll down a little bit further until I am able to find this particular option, which is clearly labeled as Accounts and Sync. It's important to remember that if your mobile phone device is currently set to another language, you should pay close attention to the distinct icons and the precise locations you will need to navigate to. I will now proceed to gently tap on this specific spot on the screen. After that, you will need to carefully scroll all the way down the screen until you are able to find the distinct Google icon. Proceed to tap on it directly from this current screen. At this point, all the various Gmail accounts that are currently present and actively logged in on your mobile phone will clearly appear. For example, I will now proceed to remove this specific Gmail account from my phone, demonstrating the process. I tap on it, and then I tap on this option labeled More. So please, if this is your first time watching, don't forget to support me by clicking the subscribe and follow buttons, liking and sharing this video with your friends and family. So finally, we tap on Remove Account from here. Then we tap on Remove Account from here again. So we have successfully and completely removed this particular account from the phone, and you can easily remove any other additional accounts in precisely the same manner and fashion. If you've made it to this point, don't forget to check out this playlist. This comprehensive playlist contains various helpful tutorials. You will certainly find many important guides there that you will truly like and greatly benefit from. Goodbye for now, my dear friends.